Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to style this blazer in multiple ways. So you guys stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so whenever I drop a video, you'll be there. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with this. Alright, so your first look here is going to be a two-piece crop tops with the skirt, with the buttons down the middle of it. All right, to pair with this jacket, as you can see, matched with the sky blue, as well as with my clutch purse, which is, matches the heels here that I have on, right? So this is something that you can just wear, out with the girls. If you're gonna go to a dinner date or anything like that, you can wear this setup here. And even if you have a different blazer, this would go perfectly fine with it. All right, so that's it. So the details here on the purse, the top, as you can see. All right, this might be my favorite. All right, because it gives a little zzzz to it. Okay. All right, so here's this look. I did keep the top on, but I just added the shorts to it. I also came with the clear heels. If you want to also put the white heels back on with it, you can, so they can coincide with your purse. And this gives you a little fun, also a little fun outing with your friends as you're going to chill and things in that nature. So I love these shorts here. They're very stretchable, and I feel like that it blends in with the color scheme of the jacket. So give it a little bit more color and more pop to it, right? And yeah. All right, I'm gonna also show you. I'm gonna change out the top so I can show you how it would look with another shirt. This is just a plain shirt on. One second. All right, so this look here, this is more like you can go to brunch in this attire. I still have on the clear heels. As you can see, I added a little purse here, even though the color does not go very well, it still give a little match. And you can change the little pattern up, colors up to the purse if you want to go with, one of these nice colors here in this jacket. You can always switch it up like that. But this is a little brunch feel here, hanging out with the girls and everything in that nature. So this is another way to style it with these shorts, okay? Okay, so this look is your everyday work look. You can wear. Got your little bell bottoms here on, with the jacket with the white t-shirt on plain. Got your little purse, and you ready to go to work on them, okay? All right. Alright, this is comfortable for the office as well. If you need to, you can, if you want to rock it without the purse, you can. You can rock it without the purse. If you get a little toasty in the office, you can also just have a little comfortability with it. Just take it off real smooth, and there you have it. Now for you girls, they may have this jacket. I think I got this from Shein, if I'm not mistaken. I got this from Shein, and I love it. So here's your look.